This is Azure Biosystems, and today we are going to go over the Toolbox module of AzureSpot Pro. The Toolbox module of AzureSpot Pro is a great way to get some basic data out of your images or to perform quick analysis using shapes and profiles. From the image setup screen, you can use the 3D profile to quickly visualize trends in your signal data. You can check your images for saturated pixels. Any saturated pixels will appear in red, whereas unsaturated signal will appear in blue and background in black. You can also adjust the contrast and coloring of your image. Any adjustments made here do not affect your data, they only affect the way your data is visualized or the way your image is visualized. Once your image is colored and contrasted and you have checked for saturated signal and signal inversion, you can move on to area analysis if you would like to analyze your image using shapes and the volumes within the shape, or profile analysis if you would like a quick visualization of signal comparisons within different areas of your image. With area analysis, you would draw shapes around areas and features of interest, and the software will calculate the signal volume within that shape. You can draw rectangles, ellipses, or poly shapes. Select Edit to move or adjust any shape. You can also copy and paste shapes to duplicate them. Or when a shape is selected, you can click on Info to change the name of the shape and change the color and line of the shape. In this module, background subtraction is performed by creating a shape somewhere in your image that you would like to use as background and then designating that shape as the background shape. Once you designate a shape as background, the software automatically subtracts that background from your other shapes. To export your measurement table, click the Export button to export to CSV. You can also right-click on your image to save your image along with the shapes drawn, or you can copy it to clipboard to copy and paste into your digital lab notebook. So while area analysis uses shapes to obtain quick volume data, profile analysis uses lines in order to quickly compare areas within your image. For example, if I wanted to compare this first lane with this middle lane, I could draw lines over the lanes and very quickly see the signal comparison of the bands within those lanes. Depending on the features that you are analyzing within your image, you can draw polylines or curved lines as well. And similar to area analysis, you can click on the info of any shape or line and adjust the name, comments, the color of the shape, and the type of line around or of the shape. To export your profile analysis, you would right-click on the profile in order to save to file or copy to clipboard. For further explanation of any of the tools within the Toolbox module, click the Help button to be brought to the appropriate section of the AzureSpot Pro user manual. For more analysis training or more information on AzureSpot Pro, please visit AzureBiosystems.com.